today is February the 7th, 2-7, and our title is Chiseled Stone M. Chiseled Stone M. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. Looks like I have one spot left down here for my drawing. Get my book under control here. 2-7, and here we go. So we're going to start with a simple stick M today. Just plain old M. No big deal. Okay, now we're going to come and we're going to make a line underneath of it. Come down a little bit. Follow that over. Make another line here. You're going to do the same thing on the top. Here. Follow the line over here. Okay, and now what we need to do is connect. So following this line, I'm going to connect to here. Following this line, I'm coming down, but I'm going to stop and leave myself some space. I'm going to connect it there like that. Here to here, bring it down. Okay. So we're just going around it. Come up, stop, down, up, back down. Okay, so you should have created, and actually that's off just a little bit. I'm going to fix that. There we go. These should have been the same, close to the same height. Okay, so now we need to add in our angles to make it look like it's chiseled. We're going to do that at the bottom at this point by making an angle going to the corner here. But we're also going to make one go in the other direction. Same thing on the other side and the top. Okay, so you've got 4 places where you've done that. Now we're going to bring a couple more angles in. From here to here, make a line. And from here to here, make a line. Okay. Last spot is going to be here to here. And here to here. Okay. So there's your Chiseled Stone M. Now we just need to put some shading on and we'll be done. So we're going to do a dark to light shading all down the left side. So I'll start with that. That's dark. I'm going to make another pass down through it to lighten it up. So a little bit lighter. Right here. Okay. I've got that. I'm going to put a little bit here on this left side. And a little bit on the bottom. That's a little bit darker. Okay, so I've got all this left side, top and bottom. I'm also going to put some inside here. And some right here. And then finally here. Not completely solid, but more of a change in value, a blended shading. And a little bit right there. Okay, so you've pretty much got this shaded. Our last step is going to be to form that little bubble around your M and to fill this in completely solid. Okay, when you come to this step, you want to make sure it's really dark because you want this M to pop off of the background. You really want to see that come out. If you have a number 2 pencil, this will go a lot faster than using a mechanical. Feel free to turn your book as needed. Okay, if it's more comfortable to turn your book, you can turn that, but you can't really turn your hand. So whatever works for you, whatever's comfortable for you. Looks like I got outside the lines a little bit there. I'm gonna trim that off a little bit. Okay, just a little bit more to go and we'll have it done. I usually try to go slower towards the edge and then speed up as I move towards the outside. Okay, looks like I've got it all. There you have it. There's your Peeling Shadow M for today. So I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure that you erase any lines or marks that you don't need. That you watch your proportion. Try to make everything equal as far as the length and the size of each leg of your letter. Also watch your angles. Okay, if this is angled this way, so should the bottom. Same thing here and here. Okay, don't forget to put all of your shading. You've got several spaces on the inside, about 7 of those, and then a complete dark shading all around the outside of your letter.